An? Huh? Go. So guys, here is our package, and I think this is a TV cabinet and shoe rack. So we have a big shoe rack now. We can put all the shoes inside. We're gonna unbox later.
A few moments later.
Unbox. It's broken. I hope not. Then we're gonna look if this is all broken. If not, sure. Wala. Guba po?
Both are not complete.
Not some order. We don't order anymore with online.
What is the name of this shop?
I don't know. Wala na. Napay-screw doon. Ikuha na ni. Ibutang sa na ito sa anong ikuha na.
Don't throw away the plastic.
Just put in
Message
a...
them directly. Take pictures and message them. Okay.
This is Philippines ba? Kani isod sa ni? Sa broken piece, but only one. I hope it's good because this is a shoe rack, guys. So we're gonna make this kuan. So we can put all the shoes inside that later on. So see.
Duna.
Kuha sa siluna nakdi. Ayan. Ayan, guys. This is it. Pansit. So this is the other. Tingnan mo. Gunin do tog tingog tong tigkanta nila na. Bawo taga-asa to. Dili. Katawa si Irene. Hi guys. Also, this is a new shoe rack. The one we unboxed and installed this afternoon. And Leah.
No, psycho lang, psycho to.
Psychotic.
Psycho na ba? Ka, taga mo mawa. Go. Mga psycho lang eh.
Tarang.
Uy, kayo mo kay ka naman nagbuhatay niyo ba? Ang mga psycho ba? Pili na ako, mga psycho kay ka no? Mga... Grabe po kayo nakabira.
Uy, wala na bigyan mo. Ayan. So, welcome back. We are finished. We are finished assembling the kuan guys. That is the TV cabinet there. Small. It's nice. It's nice.
Where was this?
There in the Koryo daw. So that's the cabinet guys. So guys, thank you very much. I'm cleaning. Him is cleaning and I'm washing this and I'm drying. So that's all for our unboxing and receiving our packets and unboxing. And I hope you're gonna support me all the time, us all the time. Please do connect my other channel, Simply Nichole, and to my Nikky's journey. And don't forget Nikky's official. Thank you guys, and see you in my next unboxing.